What's the meaning of crusher? Crusher. Crusher.
Crusher. Crusher. Crusher is a noun that refers to something or someone that crushes, such as a machine designed to break down large objects into smaller ones or a person who consistently defeats their opponents. The result of using a crusher machine on an object is that the object is broken down into smaller, more manageable pieces. Similarly, when a person is described as a crusher, it means that they are highly skilled at defeating their opponents, often leaving them feeling intimidated or defeated.